How to make passport size photo by using the Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So I'm going to show you how you can create the single passport size photo, and also I will show you how you can make the multiple photos in one page and you can take the print. Okay, so let's start with the videos. First we need to go in create, and here we need to go in customs, and go to the size. Here we need to enter that the passport size photo size, which is 35 into 45 Okay, now create the new design. Okay, so we have this size. Now you can upload your passport size photo from here. Just upload here, upload from here. After upload, you can see your passport size photo here. You need to just click on it, it will be insert here. Okay, so I don't want to upload. I will search here for passport size photo. So I will take it. Okay, this one. Okay, first we need to click on this blank page. Okay, and go to the background color, and here you need to change the color with the fy. Okay, so just select it. The background color has been changed. Now select the image and remove the background. Just click on this bg remover. The image background will be removed. Now go to the file. Here we need to enable that show print blend and the margin. First we need to select margin. Margin has been enabled. Now again go to the file, go to the show the print blend. So print, this is a print blend, this is a margin. Okay, so now we need to take one square shape. So search for shape here. So we need to take that square shapes. Okay, so I just take this round one. I just make it proper square shapes. Okay, now just select the square, go to the background size, background color, and click the no color. Okay, and make this border border line enable and make it 0.5. Okay, so it is done. Now just keep this border by dragging this dot just below this that printable blend. Okay, this is printable blend line. Okay, just make sure it is perfectly. Okay, adjust. Once you adjust perfectly, go to the positions, keep it center, so it will be come to the very center, and make sure it's sent to the backwards. Okay, now select your image, hit the keyboard shift button on your mouse keyboard, and hold it, and just resize your image just below this line. Okay, and also make sure it is center. Only make it center, don't send the backward. Okay, just make it center image. Okay, it's done now. Now go to the file, disable this show margin and this blend. Now your passport size image has been done. Now you can simply go to the share, download, and to download as a png or pdf file and take a print, or you can simply directly print from here. Okay, so I will now I'm going to show you how you can make it the multiple passport size in one page. So we have take the exact passport size page, so we need to take another page, go to the add page. So we have same size page. Now go to the second page. Here go to the resize and search for A4. So we need A4 portrait. Okay, okay, A4 portrait, just select that and just copy. Okay, resize this design, just click on resize this design. Okay, once is resized, just you can refresh your Canva. Okay, so now we have this design, and the second design, this one. Okay, don't do this. Just come to the your final, passport photo page. Okay, now for next, for multiple photos in one page, just add the page. Okay, the next page will be at same size. So we need to resize with A4. Okay, so just right click on that page, second page, go to the resize page, and here we need to search for A4. Okay, so you will see these options, document A4 portrait. Just select that, so it will be resized. So we have the another page with this A4 size, so we need to select that second page and delete it. So now we have the second page with A4 size, and the first page which is passport size page. Okay, so now, what you need to do, just drag and select all the elements on the passport side page, passport photo page, and group it. After group, just select that photo, right click on it and copy it. Come to the page, second page, select that page, right click on it and paste here. Okay, now we need to go in file again and just select the enable the show print blend. Okay, now we have this photo. Now you can just copy the photo by clicking Ctrl plus C and paste this and just drag it to your right side. Again copy paste another photos. Okay, and keep the gap between and place here. Again paste. So we need to keep gap between. Okay, now you can see the all photos gap is perfect. Now just select all photos like this, or you can simply select first photo, hit the shift button, hold it, select another photo, and you can select all photo. Now you can group it. Now all photos has been grouped. Now right click on it, copy it, again paste it and drag bottom. Same you have to do again and again. Okay, just copy paste. You need to just copy once and paste. You can paste multiple. Okay, I just paste here because I just already copied at first. So now we have to create that page. We have multiple passport size photo and A4 page. Okay, now hit the Ctrl plus P. Now we got this page with the passport size. Okay, so now you can print it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.